Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Epic Games account is essential for security and accessing all features of the Epic Games ecosystem. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account through the Epic Games launcher or by visiting the Epic Games website. Step 2. Click on your account name in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Password and Security section, where you'll find options to verify your email and enable additional security features. Step 4. If you haven't verified your email yet, click the Verify Email button and check your inbox for the verification message. Step 5. Open the verification email from Epic Games and click the verification link to confirm your email address. Step 6. Return to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security by selecting your preferred method. Step 7. Choose between email authentication or an authenticator app, then follow the setup instructions to complete two-factor authentication. Step 8. Save your backup codes in a secure location and test your login to ensure two-factor authentication is working correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.